Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best car scratch removers. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5, New Finish Car Scratch Remover. Ever notice those annoying scratches on your car's paint? It's frustrating no matter how careful you are, scuffs appear. I used to dread seeing swirl marks and haze after every wash. But then I discovered New Finish Scratch Doctor. This isn't just any scratch remover, it's lab proven to work better. It removes paint scrapes, scuffs, and even stubborn grime. Perfect for cars, boats, motorcycles, even chrome appliances at home. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Just apply a small amount to a clean surface, let it dry for a moment, then wipe with a soft cloth. Watch as scratches and haze disappear before your eyes. It also brings back that glossy showroom shine instantly. No more worrying about minor paint damage or bug stains. If you love your ride, this is a must-have in your kit. Try New Finish Scratch Doctor and see the difference for yourself. Ready for flawless paint? Grab yours today. Number 4, Nano Sparkle Cloth Car Scratch Remover. Think all car scratches need costly repairs? I'm a professional auto detailer with years of experience. Most minor scratches don't require a body shop visit. Many DIY products fail to restore true gloss and smoothness. But the Bismo Nano Sparkle Cloth changes the game. This 2025 upgrade uses advanced nanotechnology. Its formula features disodium EDTA and sodium bicarbonate. These ingredients lift dirt and remove scratches safely. Just gently rub the cloth on the affected area. Swirl marks, scuffs, and water spots disappear in minutes. The finish is glossy, smooth, and professionally restored. See how easily this scratch vanishes. No special tools needed. Perfect for car owners and DIY enthusiasts alike. Remember, not for deep damage or exposed primer. Restore your car's shine at home. No hassle, no guesswork. Try Bismo Nano Sparkle Cloth today for effortless results. Number 3, Black TouchUp Paint for Cars. Ever notice a new scratch on your car and feel frustrated? I used to dread seeing those ugly marks on my black car. Body shop quotes. Way too expensive and time-consuming. Then I found this Black TouchUp Paint for Cars. It's made with premium materials and advanced color-matching tech. Just shake, apply, and watch scratches disappear in minutes. The finish is smooth, glossy, and blends perfectly with my paint. No more obvious marks. My car looks like new again. It's waterproof, UV resistant, and protects against future rust. The dual tip design makes repairs super precise and easy. Use the metal tip for tiny chips, the brush for bigger scratches. It dries in just 10 minutes, no waiting around. I even used it on my bike and furniture. So versatile. If you want quick, pro-level results at home, try this. Save time, money, and keep your car looking flawless. Grab yours now and say goodbye to car scratches. Number 2, Meguiar's Quick Scratch Eraser Kit. Ever notice those annoying scratches on your car's paint? I used to dread seeing scuffs and fingernail marks appear. Hand polishing took forever and never really worked for me. Then I found Meguiar's Quick Scratch Eraser Kit. Total game changer. It's an all-in-one solution with everything you need inside. The secret? This drill-activated scratch eraser pad does the hard work. Just attach it to any standard drill, no special tools required. Add a bit of Meguiar's Scratch X formula packed with micro-abrasives. Let the drill do its thing, gently erasing fine scratches and scuffs. No more paint transfer, door handle marks, or surface blemishes. Wipe off the residue with the included microfiber towel. Super easy. Check out the shine. My car looks like it just left the showroom. Best part? It's safe for all glossy paints and clear coats. If you love your car but hate scratches, you need this kit. Try Meguiar's Quick Scratch Eraser Kit and bring back that flawless finish. Number 1, Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. Ever noticed those tiny scratches and swirls on your car? I used to get frustrated every time I washed mine. No matter how careful I was, new marks always appeared. But then I found the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. It's a complete kit, comes with a buffer pad and everything. What's cool, it works on all paint types and colors. The formula is professional grade, but super easy to use. Just apply a bit of the compound to the pad, gently buff the area in a circular motion. You can literally watch those scratches disappear. It also restores that glossy, just waxed shine. No harsh chemicals, dyes, or weird scents, just pure results. Perfect for DIY detailers and anyone who loves their car. Ready to erase years of wear and tear? Try Carfidant Scratch Repair and see the difference yourself. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.